Samsung has officially unveiled the all-new Galaxy Z Fold8, and this might be Samsung's biggest foldable upgrade yet. From an incredibly thin design to powerful Galaxy AI features, here's everything you need to know in just 2 minutes. The Galaxy Z Fold8 is Samsung's thinnest and lightest book-style foldable yet. The wider cover display makes everyday use feel much more like a traditional smartphone. Samsung has also redesigned the hinge and reduced the visible crease for an even more premium experience. Powering the Fold 8 is Qualcomm's latest flagship Snapdragon processor with faster performance and better efficiency. Samsung has also expanded Galaxy AI with intelligent productivity and creative features. The large foldable display makes multitasking smoother than ever. The upgraded camera system delivers sharper photos and improved low-light performance. The brighter AMOLED display makes gaming, movies, and productivity even more immersive. Samsung also introduced the Galaxy Z Flip8 and the latest Galaxy Watch lineup, strengthening its AI-powered ecosystem. So, what do you think about the new Galaxy Z Fold 8? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.